Welcome back to The Explainer. If you're the kind of person who loves finding highly effective, structured ways to dial in your daily health, well, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're looking at a powerful, natural, and super accessible tool for your cardiovascular health. It's vibrant, it's literally packed with nutrients, and the best part, it's something you can make right in your own kitchen in a matter of minutes. Look, let me ask you this right out of the gate. Want a natural cardiovascular boost? I think for most of us, the answer is an enthusiastic yes. We're always on the lookout for ways to support our bodies efficiently. So today, I'm going to walk you through a brilliantly simple, natural solution known as the ABC Heart Booster. We're going to break down the ingredients, look at the actual science behind why it works, and figure out exactly how you can safely build it into your routine. Okay, let's dive right into section 1. Meet the Heart Booster. Before we get into the exact chemistry of it all, we really need to understand what this blend actually is. Often just called ABC juice by wellness enthusiasts, let me be clear, this isn't just some passing fad. It's a strategic combination of ingredients specifically designed to maximize bodily function. This blend is targeted to support your blood circulation, blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular health. And why does this matter so much for your daily vitality? Because your cardiovascular system is basically your body's superhighway. When your circulation is optimized and your blood pressure is supported, you get better energy delivery to literally every single cell in your body. It is the absolute foundation of feeling healthy and active. But how exactly does a simple kitchen beverage pull all of that off? That takes us to section 2, the science of ABC. And this brilliantly illustrates the true secret weapon hiding inside this blend: dietary nitrates. These are compounds naturally found in beetroot. When you consume dietary nitrates, your body actually converts them into nitric oxide. That process helps relax and dilate your blood vessels, which is exactly how it supports that vital blood circulation and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. It's pretty amazing, right? This completely elevates our explainer from just a basic recipe to real science-backed wellness. Now, what's really interesting about this breakdown is how perfectly the ABC ingredients combine their specific superpowers. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. We've got A for apple, bringing in a massive wave of antioxidants to protect your cells. We have Bool for beetroot, delivering those crucial dietary nitrates we just talked about for blood flow. And finally, C for carrot, packing yet another punch of antioxidants right alongside essential vitamins. It's a three-pronged, highly synergistic approach to your health. All right, moving on to section 3, crafting your vitality blend. So how do we actually make this thing? Well, you just need a wonderfully simple grocery list. Grab 1 medium beetroot, peeled and chopped, 1 medium apple, cored and chopped, 1 medium carrot, peeled and chopped, and finally, just a half to 1 full cup of water, or hey, use ice if you prefer it chilled. That is the whole shebang. No unpronounceable chemicals, just pure, potent, whole foods ready to go to work for you. Now, if you want to elevate your juice even further, and why wouldn't you, consider these optional boosters. You can toss in about half an inch of fresh ginger or do a nice bright squeeze of lemon juice. Adding these doesn't just wake up the flavor profile and give it a really nice zing, it actually provides a fantastic extra surge of vitamin C to the beverage. That makes your heart booster work even harder for your immune system. Okay, follow along with me on these 4 simple steps to put it all together. Step 1 is prep. Wash, peel, and chop your ingredients into manageable chunks for your blender. Step 2 is blend. Toss it all in with your water and let it blend until it's completely smooth. Step 3 is strain. Now this is totally optional, but if you like a thinner juice without the pulp, just run it through a fine mesh sieve or some cheesecloth. And step 4 is serve. Actually, a massive pro tip here, try to drink it immediately. Doing that ensures the highest possible nutrient absorption before oxidation sets in. But of course, you certainly can chill it for later if you need to. Which brings us to our final section, section 4, best practices and safety. Now that you know exactly how to make this fantastic drink, we want to ensure you're using this tool optimally and, most importantly, responsibly. Let's start with a major best practice when it comes to timing. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. A lot of top wellness folks highly recommend this approach. By consuming the ABC Heart Booster first thing in the morning before breakfast, you're allowing your digestive system to absorb those dietary nitrates and antioxidants rapidly and efficiently. It sets such a vibrant tone for the rest of your day. But remember, more is not always better when we're talking about concentrated nutrients. So the crucial point here is moderation. 3 to 4, that's your magic number. It's generally recommended to enjoy just 1 glass of this juice 3 to 4 times a week. You really don't need to drink this every single day to reap those cardiovascular rewards. You might be wondering, why does moderation matter so much with a fresh juice? Well, it's all a matter of balance. On one side, you have those incredibly high nutritional benefits, the nitric oxide boosting nitrates and the cell protecting antioxidants. But on the flip side, you have to balance that against the naturally high levels of sugars present in beetroot. Drinking it 3 to 4 times a week gives you the maximum benefits without overloading your system with natural sugars. And that directly brings us to some absolutely vital safety caveats. If you have diabetes, or if you have any history of kidney or gallstone issues, you absolutely must consult your doctor before making this juice a habit. Beetroot is incredibly healthy, for sure, but it's also very high in oxalates, as well as those natural sugars we just talked about. Being fully informed about how whole foods interact with your specific biology is always the smartest way to approach your health. So, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? You now know the ABCs of heart health. You understand the power of dietary nitrates, you know the exact proportions of apples, beetroots, and carrots you need, and you know the safe, effective way to consume it. So, what does this all mean for you? I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. You have the recipe, so when will you blend your first glass? Take this knowledge, head straight into the kitchen, and take an active step towards your daily vitality today. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, happy blending!